Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing unboxing of my new Black & Decker food processor, which is of 600 watt. So let's begin. So as you can see, I've got a manual with it, which is in English and Arabic. Okay. So this, as you can see, is the base. It's a beautiful black and steel combination. So yes, as you can see, there are two power buttons, the speed 1 and 2, and also here on the left side is the pulse. So this is again the base of my food processor. So this is 1.5 liter and it has also got a stainless blade. I'm going to be showing you that. So this here is all the chopping and the slicing thing are done, and it has got a beautiful lock. Also the processor won't start until it is completely locked and secured. This has got an insertion over here. And here is the chopping blade, as you can see. तो mainly सारा काम इसी से होता है, which is really sharp. So it has got a cover as well, so when it's not needed, you can just secure it tightly inside. As of now, it just goes inside and fits in. And you can just close the lid. There, it's done. So now I'm going to be showing you the next lid. Also there's another blade. This basically is used for whisking the dough. It just fits inside there. Next, as you can see, also there is this lid. This which is being used for slicing, whereas the smaller one is used for shredding. It's a beautiful stainless steel. Then here is a blender, and also there is another smaller jar inside this. This is a grinder. Basically, you need to grind spices, dry spices, or maybe dry fruits. Then this is it. There are two blades inside it, which is used for grinding all our dry spices. And this little jar. Then here is our blender. It has got 4 blades inside it, and this here is the lid. Also, this portion from the top that comes out and also fits in perfectly well. Yeah, so this also again is of 1.5 liter. Also, there is this beautiful spatula which I am personally liking it. It's basically for scraping the sides which get stuck when you puree or whisk the dough, so it can be very handy. Also here is a juicer. See, I've got this as well. Depending upon the size of your fruit or vegetable, whatever, it just fits inside here. It can be used for here. See, in this way. Yeah, so all your juice gets collected inside it. So personally, I am really liking this. And then here is again, now this can be used for whisking cream or mixing of salads. It blends really well. Yeah, that's it. So yes, I've more or less shown you that's it. So I personally am really liking my buy, and it's a beautiful color and serves multi-purpose. So I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel.